Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm going to share with you guys 7 reasons why you need to start creating digital products in order to start earning income. So the first reason why you want to start selling digital products is your inventory. So you're not going to keep this product in a physical location, a warehouse, retail store. This product is going to be living in the online cloud, your computer, hard drive. So it's much easier to store. You're going to be saving money on inventory fees or any type of cost associated with having a product. So this is the number one reason why you want to start selling digital products, because of the inventory cost, which is all right, guys. So the second reason why you want to start creating digital products is because of the opportunity to create passive income. We all know the benefits of creating passive income, and digital products is one of the fastest way you can start earning money on the side. All right, guys. So the next reason why you want to start creating digital products is the startup cost. So it's going to be not that expensive to start creating these products. You can go to Fiverr, you can go to Upwork, you can hire a freelancer. They can create a PDF file. They can create an ebook, lead magnets, a software product. Usually, you can outsource this type of creation. So the startup cost is good. Guys, so the fifth reason why you want to start creating digital products right away is the big advantage of your direct communication with your clients. Once your client buys this product, they're going to provide you information, credit card, name, email address. So you're going to be start creating a list where you can cross-sell these customers more products. You're going to have direct communication with them. This is going to build trust. So in the future, when you release a new product, you can cross-sell to your existing audience. So this is another reason why you want to start creating digital products, is direct communication. When you're creating a digital product, like I mentioned in the past, it's going to be passive income. So what this also means is you're going to be saving time and you're going to be flexible. Once you have your product online, on your website, on your social media platform, once your audience or your users buy it, that's it. You don't have to worry about it. So money is going to be coming in. So this is going to save time and give you more flexibility. So this is going to save time and give you more flexibility to do things that you want to do with your family.